Ayan guys, repair tayo ng Infinix guys, cellphone. Ayan. Hindi to nagpa-power on guys, itong Infinix na to guys. Pero yan, okay na guys, nag-charge lang siya tapos hindi mag-open guys. Walang display sa kanyang screen guys. Ito lang pala yung sira guys dito. Yung LCD flex niya guys, natanggal kasi nahulog. Ayan guys, okay na guys, tingnan nyo guys. Ayan, tingnan nyo ha. Ayan guys, okay na siya guys. Try natin buksan guys, try natin open guys. Ayan, hawakan mo cellphone mine. Lobat talaga guys, lobat siya guys, lobat. Ayaw pang magbuksan guys. Ayan, charge muna natin guys, mamaya guys buksan natin yan, masyado pang